Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Simplify the following and write the answer in exponential form. So let's see. Let's write the expression given 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 5. Now we can cancel out these two, or we can just apply exponent laws here. So 5 to the power 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 minus 4. And this is because of these two laws. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n gives you a to the power m plus n. And a to the power m divided by a to the power n gives you a to the power m minus n. So these are all the multiplied exponents, multiplied powers, and this one is divided power. So we get 5 to the power 4 and minus 4 get cancelled out. So we have 5 to the power 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So we have, let's see, 5 to the power 19. This is the answer.